the cold and dark nights, there's truly a magic to winter. The snow and all the beautiful lights, that feeling of nostalgia, joy and excitement felt in the air, blankets and hot drinks and trips to the craft fair. Today I'm collabing with Jessica from Measure and Mix. Definitely go check her channel if you aren't subscribed, show her some love. I assure you'll love what you'll find. The links to her channel and her video will be in the description box. So starting with DIY number 1, we're making a miniature village with deers getting warm beside a campfire. So to get started, you're going to make yourself an artificial shelf. This is because we don't need all of the empty space at the bottom and we just need to use the top part. So I've used some cardboard and I stuck it down with some hot glue and masking tape. I did choose to use white masking tape just in case any showed. It's going to kind of merge in with the artificial snow. And to make your artificial snow, you simply need some table salt. So just pour that all over until you fill the crate. And we want it to look realistic, like there's snow on the houses as well. So to do this, you're going to take some glue and apply it onto the house with a brush and then sprinkle some salt all over it. I've got this snowy looking artificial bouquet. If you don't have any of these, don't worry, you can just do the same thing we did before by adding glue and salt, or you can just spray paint them white. So arrange your houses wherever you like, and we're going to just keep doing the same thing, applying some glue onto the tops of the houses and then adding the salt. I also add in these miniature trees at the back, so just have fun with your landscaping, place everything where you like and have a play around. And then you can add some colour and contrast by incorporating some red berries. And then I'm taking some small white stones to decorate around the tree and the houses. Next I'm adding in my deer and I'm making my campfire. To do that, simply take a tea light and cover it up with your snow, and then take 2 little branches and prop them upright in the snow alongside each other. Here I'm adding in a little bit of bark, and also I'm taking some fine white glitter just to add to the sides of the wooden crate. Last but not least, take some fairy lights and attach them to the top of your crate. And here's the finished DIY. I really love making miniature scenes. I personally find them so magical, so I've got 2 more, but this time we're going to be using different styles and mediums. Although these DIYs are really inexpensive to make, they look high-end, so they're really good gift options, or you can make them to sell or just simply decorate your home elegantly. I like to share ideas that are interesting, unique and as easy as possible, so let's hop on to the second DIY. So this time I'm going to show you how to make a miniature scene in a terrarium. Terrariums are great because they add greenery in your home and they're super low maintenance. And the other great thing about it is that it's pretty much free to make. I got everything from the park, I reused an old jar, the only thing I had to pay for was the 2 figurines, and that's just optional. First, create a drainage layer in your jar using gravel. Then you're going to create a base layer. You can do this with mesh. Here I'm using plastic and then I'm just popping in some holes using a pin. Once you're done, place it inside your jar and then add your substrate, which is soil. Here I've got soil mixed in with some bark, and then you simply add in your plant. Here I've got some moss and fern, which is excellent for a closed terrarium. Again, I got all of this for free from the park. Go ahead and arrange your plants just how you like them. The landscaping is pretty much everything with this, so do give it some time. You can add in more natural things like bark. Here I'm adding in a big stone, and then I'm taking my figurines and placing them inside. Again, that's just optional. Once you're done, you just simply have to mist your plants, and then they'll pretty much take care of themselves by creating their own ecosystem. And there you go, as simple as that, you've just learned how to make your very own terrarium. Really love plants and I love miniature worlds, so terrariums are just perfect for me. And again, this is an affordable gift option for Christmas and it looks super expensive. For the last DIY, I'm going to show you how to make artificial water and this miniature Antarctic scene. I'm going to begin by showing you how to make your artificial water. You're going to take some clear candle gel and melt it in a pot that you're not going to use again under low heat. Then you're going to add a few drops of blue wax dye. This is probably going to be the trickiest part of this DIY. If you want to create one layer, then this is optional, you don't have to do this step. If you want to create half snow, half water like I did, then you're going to have to create some kind of barrier, and I did this using some masking tape. Then once you're done, you're simply going to pour your gel and then let it set for half an hour. And once your gel is set, gently remove the masking tape. I'm creating a funnel here using paper so that we can get our salt into the exact area that we want. And of course, our salt is going to act like snow. Now to make your snow even more realistic, take a pinch of fine white glitter and add it to your salt. This way it's going to glisten like real snow. Then as a final touch, I'm taking this polar bear tree decoration and adding him to the environment. And here's the last DIY all done and completed, and now you also know how to make artificial water. You can use this tip for any other kind of projects. I hope that you have enjoyed these original ideas in every single one of these DIYs. If you have, please leave me a thumbs up and a comment, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you all so much for watching, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!